class 3rd and 4th social science. Children, today's topic is early humans. In this lesson, you will learn about the shelter, clothing, food and tools of early humans, the discovery of fire, the beginning of farming, the domestication of animals, and invention of the wheel. Let us see in the picture how early humans behave, where they live, what they eat, and for their living what they do. It is believed that early humans lived in jungles. They spent most of their time looking for food. They did not know farming, so they roamed in the jungle for food. They ate wild fruits and roots and hunted small animals. They hit animals with stones to kill them and ate their raw flesh. Let's start with shelter and clothing. Where they live and what type of clothes do they wear? Early humans lived in natural caves or under large trees to protect themselves from the sun, wind and rain. They covered themselves with the skins of animals or leaves of trees. Slowly, early humans realized that it was easier to dig out roots and hunt animals if they had sharp pieces of stone that could be used as tools. Children, you can see in the picture what type of tools they made and how they made it. Early humans searched for stones with sharp edges and used these for digging and for killing animals. They made tools from animals' horns and bones. They also used sharp wooden sticks as tools. Early humans learned to tie a sharp stone to wooden stick and used it like a spear to kill wild animals without going near them. Now you can see how they discover fire. Just see the picture how they are rubbing the two stones and the fire came out. Early humans must have seen natural fires breaking out in the jungle. At first, they were afraid of fire. Then they must have realized that fire helped to keep away wild animals and the cold. They also discovered that fire made the flesh of animals tastier and easier to eat. They could keep the fire burning by adding dry leaves and twigs to it. Early humans wanted to make fire themselves and use it to their advantage. They discovered that rubbing two stones or two bamboo sticks together could make fire. This great discovery is said to have changed the life of the human race. No wonder many people still worship fire. Now you see how they learn to farm. The beginning of farming. Early humans kept moving from place to place in search of food. They soon found that whenever they threw the seeds of the fruit they ate, new plants grew from them. They noticed that when these plants became big, fruits grew on them. Early humans had discovered farming. They now knew that they could not they could plant seeds and grow their food rather than go searching for it from place to place. They could settle down in one place. Now see how they have settled in one place instead of roaming around. They have made villages for them and animals how to use them. Settling in villages. Early humans must have learned that the plants needed water and fertile soil to grow well. Such places were mostly near rivers, so they started settling down in small villages near rivers. Taming of animals. Now you can see, children, how they will tame their animals. After settling down in villages, early humans also started taming animals. They learned that some animals such as horses, donkeys, cows, bullocks or dogs could be tamed more easily than others. They used these animals for plugging their farmlands. They also got food such as milk and meat from these animals. Now see how they have found out to make wheel and its use. Invention of the wheel. Some time later, early humans must have seen around logs of wood rolling down a hill. They realized that round things could move much more easily on land. So they fitted small pieces of tree trunks below their carts. The cart could now move easily on uneven ground. Thus the wheel was invented. Land travels now became easier and faster. It was now possible to transport heavy stones to build better houses. The invention of the wheel is considered to be a landmark in the history of humankind. Children, let us summarize what we have learned. Early humans lived in caves and under large trees. They used sharp stones and wooden sticks as weapons. The discovery of fire is said to have changed the lives of the early humans. Early humans started settling down in villages after they began farming. They tamed animals for carrying loads, plugging and for food. The invention of the wheel further changed the lives of humankind. Children, now it's time for the exercise. You have to answer the following questions. What did the early humans eat in the beginning? In this first question, you have to write what they eat in the early times. Second question, where did early humans live? Third question, how did early humans make fire? You have to write what and how is the invention of fire came. Fourth question, which discovery made it possible for humans to settle down in one place? I have already told you they made their villages and they settled down. So find out the answer properly and write down. Fifth question, how did early humans get the idea of the wheel? So you have to write in 2 to 3 lines the invention of the wheel. I hope you understand the lesson. Read it thoroughly and find out the answer. Write in your notebook and learn it. Thank you.